thing. So, hello guys, it's gonna be another sample. Today we're gonna be replacing the shower body. So, long story short, this thing keep on dripping, so that's why we put this temporary valve over here. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna replace the inside, put a self-closed shower body. We're also gonna put 2 provisional valves so we can close the water and open and close only one time. The opening we're gonna be making is gonna be 23 by 23, 23 and a half by 23 and a half. That will be the opening. And also we're gonna replace these 2 handle shower head to 1 single handle shower. That will be the fix of this problem over here. Because originally the problem that they have is keep on dripping, and they were trying to tell me, or they was telling me they can, just replace the handle. But that won't fix the problem. It's actually on the inside. So we have to replace the inside out. We're gonna start working. We're gonna do delicate cuts over here. I'm gonna take it out, and then we're gonna show you how the work goes. Thank you. Okay.